This film supplements the instructions for use and aids understanding. The film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use, nor does it eliminate the need to provide the prescribed induction or training. The instrument has an infrared interface. You can connect your device to a PC via a USB cable. The CC Vision PC software, which you can download from www.dräger.com/software, allows you to change settings on the device, read and/or delete the data logger. Before carrying out safety-relevant measurements, check the function by means of a bump test and inspect all alarm elements. If national regulations exist, the bump test must be performed in accordance with these regulations. A malfunction may lead to incorrect measurement results, which in turn can cause serious damage to health. The bump test checks whether the gas entries are free, the sensors react to gas, and the alarm elements are triggered. If the device fails the test, perform a calibration. The calibration procedure is described in the technical manual, which is available on the product page at www.dräger.com. You can also carry out a bump test using Dräger X-am, the automatic test and calibration station. Insert a device into the module. The Dräger X-am will detect the device and automatically record it in the integrated database. As long as the test is running, the module LED will flash blue. The LED on the module turns green to indicate the test has completed successfully. A green field also appears on the touchscreen. Tap this field to display further information. You can remove the device.